Okay, dear friends, in this video tutorial, we discuss about Young Turk movement. How far this movement made impact in the political life of Turkey and how it affected on this emergence of new nation or modern Turkey under the leadership of Ataturk. During this time, how these young revolutions and this revolution or movement that paved the way for this development of this modernism in Turkey. So, what is Young Turk Revolution? The Young Turk Revolution was a constitutionalist revolution in the Ottoman Empire. The Committee of Union and Progress (CUP), an organization of the Young Turks movement, forced Sultan Abdul Hamid II to restore the Ottoman constitution and recall the parliament, which ushered in multi-party politics within the empire. This is the preliminary discussion on this Young Turk movement. And this Young Turks, that's a coalition of various reform groups that led a revolutionary movement against the authoritarian regime of Ottoman Sultan Abdul Hamid II, which culminated in the establishment of a constitutional government. After their rise to power, the Young Turks introduced programs that promoted the modernization of the Ottoman Empire and a new spirit of Turkish nationalism. Their handling of foreign affairs, however, resulted in the dissolution of the Ottoman Empire or Ottoman state. So it's a coalition of different reformist movement that happened among the, especially from the students. In 1889, a group of students in the Imperial Medical Academy in Istanbul initiated a conspiracy against Abdul Hamid that spread rapidly to other colleges in the city. When the plot was uncovered, many of its leaders fled abroad, mainly to Paris, where they prepared the groundwork or underwork for future revolution against Abdul Hamid. This happened during this time, and when they uh, migrated to Paris or French, there they worked for this development or underground work for this reform movements. Among the most notable of the liberal emigrants was Ahmad Riza, who became a key spokesman for the influential Young Turk organization known as the Committee of Union and Progress, which advocated a program of orderly reform under a strong central government and the exclusion of all foreign influence. A major rival faction was formed by Prince Sabahattin. His group, called the League of Private Initiative and Decentralization, espoused many of the same liberal principles as those propounded by the CUP. But unlike the latter, it favored administrative decentralization and European assistance to implement reforms. So they tried to make the entire administration in a decentralized manner, and they also assist the or European intervention in these reforms, or we can say that they try to modernize the entire political system because they have learned men or scholars or educated people or qualified men from Europe, and they migrate to Europe and they understand the Western idea of administration, right? And this idea of administration modern style, they try to imitate or they try to introduce the same